What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here, back with another model video. This time we're doing a full, well, not a full review, but we're going to be doing an actual unboxing of a package that I got from Eztoys. Link will be in the description. I don't recall what models are in this, but we're about to find out. So here's the box, and let's go ahead and get this opened up. So we're gonna just go ahead and slice that there. I figure out where it is. There we go. Let's get this opened up. Ordered this, obviously, I ordered this quite a while ago, so that's what I'm saying. I don't recall exactly what it is or which models came in this order, because I've gotten quite a few. Oh, whoa, okay. Oh, okay. So it's the United 787-10. Oh, yes. I didn't forget I ordered this. I just didn't remember that this came. And this, oh, okay. Oh, wow. This is my first 787-10 Dreamliner, guys. And it's the United's. And it looks, the box is stunning. Gotta say. Really nice. So we have that. I'll be doing separate videos for each of them. Okay, so this is, ooh. All right, so then we got another Dreamliner in the box, and that's the Qantas 787-9. And this is in the normal livery. This is not in the 100th year livery. I just decided to get the plain one because that's the most common at LA, and with Qantas having several of them, you know, I figured I'd just get this one. And the 747s have been sadly replaced. But anyway, so two 787s in this box. I'll be doing separate reviews of each of them. And that was pretty cool. Okay, yeah, so I guess we can get right into it here. So we have, what should I start with? I'm gonna go with the United because I don't have a 787-10 in my fleet yet, or in my model collection, so this is exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and it's both NG models, obviously, which are, as I see, the best model makers right now. Their quality is superior. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh wow, it's pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. So side. One second. Delicate plastic covering it up. Alright. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to use this to lift it out because it is kind of pushed it down in there. Okay, there we go. Best way to do it. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, that thing is long. That is crazy, the length. Holy. Okay. This is incredible. I'm kind of, wow. This is amazing, guys. So my first NG model's 787-9 or -10, sorry, and my first 787-10 model in general. And wow, it is really long compared to like a -9. All right, so let's get through it. So this is United, so this is a new livery, 787-10. Try and go in here for a closer look. And you can see the detail on these NG models is amazing. So we have the little Airlines logo. Got some writing there. I'm not sure exactly what it says. But yeah, really detailed. The door looks the detail on the door is phenomenal. You have the United logo in the new livery. Obviously, the engines are very nice. You're just moving along the model. Obviously, the details of the antennas, Wi-Fi box, and everything. Rack registration November 12010. So, and then the tail, obviously, with the new livery, the blue. It's just, wow, this is amazing. So I'm gonna zoom out. We're gonna check the underneath. Pretty plain, pretty plain. But there's the antenna at the back on the bottom, and the gear look good, and the engine details underneath are pretty good. So we'll go ahead and turn them all around now. Look at it from the other side. So here we have it, United 787-10 on this side. And you can see the cargo doors there, very nice. Just moving along the back, and I know there's a rear baggage door as well. Question mark? Oh, there's not on this. Is it on the other side? I didn't notice. Ah, it is on this side. Okay, so it's on this side. The little baggage door is actually on the left side. I didn't know that. Anyway, though, so just moving along, it's the same thing on this side pretty much, but it's just a stunning model. I am really impressed with NG models, the level of detail. Yeah, a little bit of dirt there. Absolutely amazing model. I highly recommend this if you guys can get it. I've seen a couple of reviews of this, and I know it's really good. I personally am in love with it. It's going to fit in nicely at LA doing the Newark, Washington routes, and I'm sure, I'm sure it'll be used for other routes in the future by the time I get my airport set back up. But anyways, this is a beautiful model. So we're just going to put that aside, and we're going to get to the Qantas now. I mean, you'll see, I'll try and do a comparison of like the 9 and the 10. So let's go ahead and open this up. I already have a Qantas A380 in my fleet. Sadly, I didn't get a 744 to put into an airport before they've been retired now, but at least I got the 787, which I know is going to be a regular LA, so. Another one I'm just going to have to ease up out of here. Come on, there we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so beautiful. So again, same NG models, level of detail in this aircraft. Phenomenal. Everything. So you see the little logo at the front. And then obviously Qantas, Spirit of Australia. The doors are extremely detailed. The engine's really nice and detailed. The Dreamliner there. And the registration is VHZNG. So Victor Hotel, Zulu, November, Golf. Really nice. Tail is really nice. So this is a new livery with that bit of a gray there. Silver. It's really nice though. I like it. I like it a lot. But yeah, beautiful model. So go ahead and look at this side now. Yeah, the cargo door is obviously on this one and everything. So it's the same thing where there are little baggage doors on that side. I never even noticed it. Anyway, I'm gonna zoom out and just show you underbelly. Nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot that this has Qantas belly. Qantas underbelly, which is beautiful and well printed on. Looks fantastic. The level of detail underneath this one is amazing. As you can see, there's all these little spots and whatnot that are marked, and it's really nice. I don't know, I didn't notice that on the Dash 10, on the United Dash 10. I'm gonna take a closer look. Oh, it does have some. Yeah, it's not the same. I'd say it's a little bit more noticeable on this Dash 9, but so yeah, beautiful model. I got both of these from Eztoys. I'll link Eztoys in the description and whatnot. But alright, so let's see if I can do a side by side of this. So it's kind of tough to see, but 787-10 is definitely a lot longer. Well, not a lot, but a fair bit longer than the Dash 9. And it's really cool. Anyway, guys, so that's gonna conclude this unboxing, actual unboxing of these two gorgeous models. United and Qantas Dreamliners. I am really glad I got them, and I'm looking forward to getting more 787s from NG Malls in the future. I do have the United 787, I think it's Dash 9 in the new livery on order, so that'll complement this guy nicely. I didn't order it, the Dash 10 in the old livery, just because I'm sure that's probably going to get repainted at some point. Therefore, I figured I might as well just get the new livery and keep that instead. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry for a little bit of a confusion at the start where I said I was going to do them separately, but I decided now to just put them all in one. Makes it easier. So, there you have it. Hope you all enjoyed. Take care, and like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.